So for many, many years, we've been taking our vehicles to a variety of both independent and chain store auto service centers. Brian opened his store not too far from where we live, over down the street. And so virtually upon him opening, we thought, let's check it out. So we went down there, and I don't even remember which vehicle it was we took there for the first visit. But we did a quick tally the other night. We've had well over a dozen vehicles that we've brought to him over the years. Everything from little Econo boxes to SUVs to large SUVs to small pickup trucks, big pickup trucks, even a travel trailer or two, you know, for a little bit of help. So consequently, we've just been thrilled with the work that we've gotten done there, and we've told several people that we know about our experience there in hopes that, you know, they too would check it out.